Well, we've hunted really hard. Yesterday, we hunted all day long. Didn't hear a turkey, didn't see a gobbler, anything. It was tough. You know, in Oklahoma, you expect turkeys to be everywhere, but they weren't. You know, it's just a tough year. But anyway, we hunted this morning and didn't do any good either. Didn't see any more. So this afternoon, we're at a new spot. And we've kind of had to wait. There was some tornadoes and severe thunderstorms that came through here for the last couple of hours, so we've been just sitting around waiting and waiting and waiting. So finally, you can still see the thunderstorms in the distance. They're not 10 miles past us, and we're already going in. So we've kind of got an idea where we think some turkeys are. So we're about to ease in here and see if we can find them. I think we're in a good spot. We're kind of on a 2-track road here, and they were gobbling on the roost and they shut up, but there's hens yelping back and forth at us now. So what we're thinking is the gobblers are with the hens. So we're just kind of sitting here and waiting them out. They just gobbled actually. There's a gobbler. There's a gobbler coming by himself. He's way too far to the right. I can't show him, he's too far anyway. He's following those hens. He's going to that windmill. How he goes behind that berm, I'm going to scoot around the tree. They can't really hear us. Now we're ready. I can see the tip of his vanish right over that ridge. 60 yards, you can just see his white tips. He's right by that windmill. I swear, I can't believe they got around us. I think I'm gonna try to crawl up here to this cedar. I mean, he's 60 yards right now. If I can get to that tree with the cedars around it, it'll be 45. We don't have much time left. I can't shoot through all this stuff. I see him, he's 50 yards. You hold him. Yeah, they come to the left. The hands are walking to the left. Yeah, the hands are walking to the left. Here comes the hands. That front hand's only about 25 yards. Here he comes. He's coming right behind those hands. I got at least gonna be 15 yards before he gets to where I can shoot him. I think one of those hands might be getting nervous too. She's looking right at me. She kind of caught me. All right, here he comes. Here it comes. I need to take about 5 more steps. Just a few more steps. So close. There he is. Alright, let that hand clear. Alright. Look at this beautiful Rio. We've hunted for 2 days, 2.5 days. This is the first turkey we've seen or heard. God, look at this. She's got decent spurs too. Right, a 3-year-old turkey. Pretty good 9-inch beard. God, these are beautiful birds.
I guess it was day before yesterday, we got a tip from a farmer. He'd been seeing some birds working a old hay bale. We got up on a ridge with a pair of binoculars and we could see some birds down there. We kind of backed up and took a look at the lay of the land. So my guess is they'll stay here until just before evening, a few more hours. And then they're gonna cut down this valley this way, go to those roost trees. If we can get somewhere in this valley between them and those trees, we should be able to call them in. We don't know what they're gonna do, but I hope they come right through here. Put out a couple decoys off to the side of us to try to draw their attention to this side. I swear I heard something. This wind's coming over the top of this bunch of dead wood we're sitting in, but I swear I heard something. Coming around that deadfall right there. Mans are coming right at us. Looks like they're gonna cross this ditch right there. Comes up the other side and won't shoot. I got it. I mean, if we hadn't come to right here, we wouldn't have killed that turkey. Any further, they'd have seen us. Any further back, we wouldn't have got a shot. So that was some serious luck right there, but we'll take it. That's awesome. I think the root of that turkey hunter's optimism really is that kind of burning fire that's running in your body all the time. I honestly believe that if you get out and start chasing turkeys, the experience of talking to them, making a plan, working for days and days to try to get everything distilled down to like one little 2-minute period where it's go or no go. Look at that big old boy blowing in the wind. Conditions pretty tough today. We've been looking for birds all day. Couldn't hear a thing. It's so windy. It's not often that you make the right call right out of the gates, but today we did. Got lucky. Very cool. We got a Rio in the box.